So in Modo 13.2, we can put together user gradients with gradient modifiers and the new curve fall off to create complex behaviors with a lot less actual complexity. So what we have here is a lip rig. And what I've done is I've created the ability to animate different shapes in the lip. But what I'm actually doing is animating the weight of one deformer and carving it out with different user gradients. So how does this work? Well, first of all, what we do is we take a projection curve, and let's look at this here. So if I have this curve, you can see what this is. I'm using this to set the range of what I want my deformers to do based on basically the lip position. And then I go into here and I use these gradients and I say I'm going to attenuate these shapes. Let's go back to here, right? I'm going to attenuate these shapes here along the length of that curve. So that's how when we do something like this, what we're actually doing is animating the weight of this gradient right here up and down through the new gradient modifiers coupled with this new curve fall off. So it's a little complicated sounding, but what you end up with is a robust suite of tools that allow you to adjust the weight of a single deformer in multiple ways instead of having multiple deformers that you then have to figure out how to add up together to create these shapes. So Modo 13.2, the ability to create, define, and modify user gradients along with the new curve fall off to create really complex and appealing shapes in Modo 13.2.